am Lalaine Duran, one of the students of Meycauayan Learning Center under Public Speaking and Personality Development Training. Being an educator requires a lot of hard work and sometimes sleepless nights on planning and meeting deadlines. However, I have realized that as a teacher, I have to learn more to encourage my students to be more as a person. Meycauayan Learning Center helped me to unleash my potentials and to believe on my own God-given talents. I have felt that I am not just a student to be trained. Mr. Max and Miss Steph showed us genuine love and concern, and I'm really thankful for their lives. With that, I can assure you that the Meycauayan Learning Center is a perfect place for learning whether you are a student or a professional on your own chosen field. Thank you so much.